Hello and welcome back. We shall continue with design patterns, and today we're going to learn about the observer design pattern. Let's start with a real-life example. It will be a lot easier to grasp the concept that way. Suppose we have a conversation app and people or businesses that receive messages from it. Let it be WhatsApp. Everyone wants to be notified of new messages, and they observe for the changes in a WhatsApp conversation. Hence we call them observers. WhatsApp, on the other hand, is the subject of interest that is being observed. Each of the observers checks the conversation for new messages, but the problem is, it is time-consuming and sometimes they may forget to do so and miss an important piece of information. Therefore, WhatsApp notifies its clients of any new messages. Let's take a look at the observer diagram. To sum up, we have people or businesses that want to be notified of an event, the observers. They inherit from the observer interface. We also have a subject that is being observed, WhatsApp in this case. It contains a list of its clients that should be notified and a few useful functions, such as add, remove, and notify the client. Now it's time to implement it. I'm going to start with the observer interface. Then we need an actual observer. I'm going to create a person class that inherits from that observer interface and implement the update function. Finally, we need our subject, WhatsApp. As stated in the diagram, it contains a private list of observers, its clients. Add client function, remove client function, and notify client function. Alright, we are almost done. Now let's create an instance of a WhatsApp conversation. We also need people to add to that conversation. Let's notify everyone of a new message, say hello world. Then say one of them left the conversation. Let's notify others of that event. Compile and run. So we have added 3 clients to a WhatsApp conversation. Then we have notified them of a new message. Then one of them has left the conversation, and the others were notified of it as well. That's it for today. In the next video, well, I do not know what it will be about actually. We will either combine the observer design pattern with our game state manager into one structure, or maybe we can do without it. I had everything planned, but my MacBook had died on me, and I lost all of my data. As a result, I need to plan everything again. Meanwhile, I will re-upload some of the old videos with better audio. Have a nice day, and see you next time.